total kalau 100-an.
NPP Youth Wing State President Robert Nongrum on Tuesday said that the former Assembly Speaker and legislator Martin M. Dango has betrayed the party twice while reacting to reports of him joining the BJP. Talking to reporters, Nongrum said that they did not expect that the former Assembly Speaker would again betray the party after he had earlier deserted the party to join the Congress. Nongrum further said that the party has fixed a meeting on February 2nd to decide if they will field a candidate for Ranikor constituency in place of the former Assembly Speaker. The former Assembly Speaker's supporters had asked him to join the BJP.
Yeah, he betrayed because twice, not only, this is not the first time. During the time when we are going to, the time we plan to contest again the by-election after the demise of Nassar Marwe, that time, he again back to Congress that time. So based on that, after he come back to our party, we didn't expect such a incident like took place yesterday.